What's going on, guys? I am back for another video, and as you can see, I got my 3070. Hell yeah. I'm gonna do some unboxing, and we're gonna install that in there. Alright, let's do it. Here it is. Man, it looks nice. Okay. Ooh. So the back plate. So many fans. Damn. Let's see what else comes in here. So it comes with a support guide, quick start, and the 12 pins. Alright, so we're gonna be installing this graphics card in there. So it is installed. We just have to turn it on. I don't think it has LED though. It's kind of like a downgrade. But let's turn it on. I really don't like this 12 pins to 8 pin, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, can't wait to start playing. Reborn. Alright, we're gonna check. $30.70, yeah. But alright, guys, hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Peace.